Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with part 4 of the series of the tub to shower conversion. Alright, so today basically what I had to do is finish the drain. As you can see, I already glued everything and put the dirt back, and then I put this crushed gravel here as just an added support base. And also, I tidied up the plumbing. You see the two supply lines. I ran some, I cut and ran some other extension pieces to it, and also installed some protective plates over the cutouts that weren't there before. For me, that's just an added measure. I also did it in the corner right there. Since I'm the one doing it, I know where it's going to be at. So when I put my cement board up here, I'll know when to screw it. I also added some backing board here on the sheetrock. You can see I added, it's a 1x6 all the way up and down. That little gap is just for me to be able to get my hand in and hold it while I screw it in. I added another piece here also, provide a screwing surface not only for the base, the shower base, and also for the cement board. I added another blocking right there, a 3/4 inch 1x6 blocking right there. And also, you can see I already started re-insulating this back wall, because this wall leads right into the garage. It gets a lot of heat there. The concrete wall, you don't need to worry about too much. The only thing they put on there was this liner here, and it's got like aluminum foil on one side and paper on the other. It's like a vapor barrier, really. And right here in the corner, you can see that I patched up that hole that was there before. And all I did was mix some quick set mortar mix. I took a little piece of chicken wire, and also I put the mortar in first, and then put the piece of chicken wire above it, and then put the cement above that, just for added strength. And this stuff here, yeah, it sets pretty quick. I mixed it, and then I just let it go for a few minutes. I went back to the bucket and it was already hardening. So, but anyway, and then outside, on the outside, the leftover mortar that I had, I went outside and went ahead and patched that up too. So what I'm gonna do is finish insulating here, slating the rest of the this back part right there, clean the floor, go outside and make my shower base with the pressure treated 2x4s, and come in and go ahead and install the shower base, because I'm going to do that first before I install the cement board, because it kind of has to go right over that lip, so that when you put the tile on it, it goes, you know, over the lip and makes a almost flush connection. All right, so there it is. It's coming along. I would say I'm probably about 2/3 of the way done. And on the next video, I'll show you the shower base installed, the cement board installed, and what the next steps will be from that. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and hit that little bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Alright guys, thanks again, and catch you on the next one.